Hey folks, Micah McGee here. Today I got the biggest buck I've got in a while, right here off our little 60-acre patch here where we live. And I've got a little history with this deer. This deer has done me a lot of money's worth of damage in my orchard. He got in there this fall, and I mean, he cleaned house. He ripped my pipes off. He ripped pipes that took a lot of force to get off, and he killed a bunch of trees. I was after him in bow season. I drew on him. I had him right under me, and I tried to shoot him, and I hit a limb, and he got away. Have not seen him since, and that's been a good month ago. Well, this morning he came out in his black powder muzzleloader season. I was able to seal the deal. He is the toughest, and I say the toughest deer I've ever put down. It was a miracle that we got him, actually, because he come all the way in here. I shot him about 200 yards that way. I got my boy, and we was sneaking up through here and seen him standing back here, what's behind me now, and I was able to drop him. He still got up. Both, the first time I shot him, he dropped in his tracks. The second time I shot him, he dropped in his tracks, and still he was able to get up partially and head out, and my boy just happened to have another loaded muzzleloader handy and was able to finish him off, but it still took 2 more shots, and I just couldn't believe how tough this dude was. He's a warrior. But I'm glad to get him off of there because he's tearing up my trees, and we're gonna make some good old meat out of him. I cannot wait to get some good old fresh deer sausage frying on my wood cook stove, let me tell you. I'm gonna be doing a European mount out of this dude too, so I hope that turns out good. You'll be able to see that. As you know, we are not a hunting channel, we're a homestead channel, but hunting is a huge part of the homestead, so we appreciate you joining them for this, but that's all we've got for you today. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.